Here we're going to look at change of base formula. This is particularly useful if you don't have the updated operating system on your T84, where you can use that F1, F2 menu to put in whatever base you want. And sometimes even if you have that, it's just easier to use the buttons that are on your calculator. So notice you only have a dedicated button for one that just says log, which means log base 10. That's the common base, so they don't write it. And then you have one for natural log, which means log base E, that constant that's important for a lot of these real life problems. So if you wanted to switch to either of those, or really any base, you take the log of whatever number you were trying to take the log of, and you divide by the log of the base. So in which case, if I took this one, another way to rewrite that would be log of 1/4 over log of 3. I try to remember that because it looks kind of like how it is, like this ends up on the top and the little subscript number ends up on the bottom. You could also do it as natural log of 1/4 over natural log of 3. It doesn't matter what you change it to, just that you're dividing by log of whatever the base used to be. So both of these are equivalent to that. And if you do this one, they want it rounded to the nearest thousandth. And so that makes it easier to type in your calculator, although you can use that button to put in any base you want to. And so for this one, you get negative 1.2618, which rounded to the nearest thousandth. This rounds up because of the 8, so 262.